This video will show you how to complete the assessments for internships through the Field Experience module. The example that we're going to use is that of a site supervisor or mentor, as they're termed in the FEM, but the process is the same whether you are a university supervisor or a site supervisor. So when you log into your FEM account, you'll want to be sure you're on the Field Experience tab. And you'll notice here that you have the students who have been placed with you. And you can click on View the Placement Details. Here again you'll find all the information about the placement, the time logs. Here are also the assessments. But also on this main Field Experience page, you'll also notice the assessments that are here waiting to be done. So all we need to do is click on the Begin Assessment piece. At the top, there's a place for comments and feedback overall to this assessment. There are also places for comments for each of the rubric items. You'll notice that those are there at the end, and you can click, a comment space opens. You can enter in the information that you want to have. And you'll notice that the balloon here by the comment changes color. To assign students values for each of these areas, simply click in the corresponding box for the item and the level at which you want to score them. You'll notice that this rubric has several different components to it, so be sure that you scroll all the way through the document to be sure that you have completed all of the assessment areas. These assessments within the FEM do not have the shortcut. For those of you who have used live text rubric within course assignments, they don't have the shortcut for completing all of the items at the same level. Notice that there is an NA option over here as well for many of these assessments for the internship. When you have completed everything, you can submit assessment. If you've started the assessment and you're not quite ready to finish it, you can click on Save. And you'll know that it has changed from Begin Assessment to Continue Assessment, and then you can go back in and at a later date and complete those pieces that you had left blank earlier, or change previous evaluation levels. When you're satisfied with that, you can submit the assessment. It will also notify you, as you see there, of areas where we have left something blank and it needs to be completed. It will not let you submit an assessment without all of the items being graded. You'll now notice that the assessment says completed. And when we go back to our Field Experience homepage, again, the same thing here. The assessment shows completed. This will also show completed as we look at this placement, the placement details page. This is the page that everyone, the student, the supervisor, and the site supervisor all see the same thing, so everyone can see that that has been completed.